Hello,
I'm Barbara Beery.
Theater West is where my play Tea and Therapy was originally developed and produced.
Audiences loved and related to this dramatic comedy. Now I want to make a film about it so you can see it too.
I decided to have a little tea party so that you could meet the actresses and director involved in Tea and Therapy. Sarah Ballantyne plays psychotherapist Dr. Joyce Hart, and Susan Morgenstern plays her patient Lily Altman. Our director is Glenn Connor Johnson.
I've always loved working with Barbara. Her material has a great deal of depth underneath it, but it has a lot of humor.
Sarah, what do you find most interesting about your part?
Her commitment to what she thinks is right.
Susan, tell us about Lily Altman, a character you created on stage.
It's like she gets isolation therapy with a voice in her ear kind of guiding her through exactly where she needs to go.
From page to stage and now screen, would you like to be part of this process? Please, any donation will be appreciated. Check us out on Kickstarter. There's so many interesting incentives to get you involved. And thanks.